How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here on the Disney Dream. Today we're going to be doing a room tour of our inside stateroom, room 9047, and just going to show you around so you guys have an idea when you get on board. So let's go check it out. And we head on in the room. The first thing we got to do, we got to put a key or some kind of card in the card holder there to turn the lights on. Next, we're going to come to the left. We have a closet with plenty of storage, hangers, and the double door here. I know it's a little tight in here, but we got our life jackets up above. We have a laundry bag, we have a safe, plenty of storage, and the ladder for the bunk bed if we were to have the bunk bed on this cruise. To the other side of the closet, we have the first restroom, which is your toilet area. You can see we have H2O hand soap here. And it's, hey, look at me. And then we got a towel, toilet, toilet paper, place for needles. Let's see, yep, that's sharp waist only. And then we have a towel below and some Kleenex. Next we have the shower room, which here we see another large mirror. We have plenty of towels. We got more H2O soap here. What we got body lotion. We got a makeup towel, you know, so for your makeup, your rolled up towels. We got soap here. And then let's see, when we can step in the tub, give you an idea. So here's the shower head here. You can adjust it, but you can see like it's a pretty large shower. But if I'm 5'9", 10, somewhere in there. So if you're like 6'2", you're hitting the top there. And then over here we have the best soaps in the world. We got H2O products. Yes, you have your shampoo, your body wash, and your conditioner. Love those. They're my favorite. From the shower room, we come to the left here. We can see we have a wastebasket and the adjoining guest room here. We have a large desk area for like computers, your other stuff, tablets, things like that. 2 glasses for drinks for room service. Down here we have 2 outlets there, and then we have one of those weird 3-prong ones with the they have USB ports there. That's different. Over here we have a hair dryer and tips for traveling with lithium batteries. A couple more storage there. This is a Disney Cruise Line pen. Ooh, souvenir. And nice chair underneath. Nice padding. Then over here we have a mini fridge. As you can see, we got a little, it doesn't look like it has a freezer option on it, but I've already stocked it with my favorite drink. And then we have one large mirror. And then we turn around, we got a couch, which turns into a bed. And then above that is a pull-out bed up here. And it will turn into a bunk bed style setup there. One table. And we got some, looks like stamps for art on the wall. And then to the left, the main bed area. As you can see, we can fit our bags underneath. Now the bed is like a medium to like a little on the softer side. Here we have the inside room, which is the porthole, so it's facing forward to the ship. As you can see, we are silver members, so we did get a castaway bag plus our lanyards. Over here to the left we have another storage drawer, the phone. If you want to shut this screen off, you hit this button here, and there you go. So if you're sleeping at night, I think we're gonna leave it on. And then over here, there is 2 more light switches and another outlet. And USB ports there. This switch here shuts off that light up there. That's all that one does. And then the other one shuts off this here. So that's pretty much it from the room. I guess I need a little bit of privacy in here, so it's not automatic. My wife's closing it for me. But you do have a privacy curtain there. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. I also hope it was very informative for you and it was able to answer any questions you have. If I did not answer them, please leave a comment down below. I will try to answer them the best I can. So if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're on a Disney cruise, and you're gonna want to check that out. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.